Welcome to Tech It Simple. You're watching Bigo Live Series, Part 23. In this video, I will show you how to install Bigo Live Application. If you want to get rid of your Bigo Live application, you can simply delete your account first, then uninstall it. Now, to install it, long press on the app, options will pop up. You will see an uninstall option here. Simply click on it, and your application will get uninstalled. But if you don't have this option on your mobile device, then try another way. Go to the Play Store and type Bigo Live there, search it. Once you find the Bigo Live, click on that symbol of the application. Then you will see the uninstall option here. Click on Uninstall. By tapping on Uninstall, your app will get uninstalled. So, this is how you uninstall Bigo Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.